Today we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects when it comes to accurate calorie tracking, and that is measuring and weighing your food on a food scale. While it may seem like a small detail, it can really have a huge impact on your weight loss success. By the end of this video, you will understand how to weigh and measure your food best and what mistakes to avoid to get results soon, not someday. Let us first talk about why weighing and measuring food is important. When it comes to tracking calories, accuracy is key. Even small variations in portion sizes can add up over time and throw off your calorie goals. Because the fact is that by weighing and measuring your food, you will have a much better idea of exactly how much you're eating, and that helps you to have a better control and overview over your nutrition and over your food choices, and so reach your goals faster. Now, another question is, why should you use kitchen scales and measure in grams instead of just using tablespoons or cups? Because it's much more accurate, weighing by weight and not by volume. Now, to show you the difference, you've already seen I've prepared here some ingredients. Now, what we'll be doing, we'll be measuring the ingredients in cups and tablespoons while simultaneously put them on the scale and see how many grams these exactly are. While doing this, we will be comparing the number of calories and see how much of a difference it will be in the end. Alright, so I have the ingredients here for a delicious breakfast bowl, and we use 1 cup of oats. To be precise, these are those oats, and it says that half a cup are 45 grams. So when we want to have a whole cup, it should make 90 grams, right? Let's see. First of all, let's turn our scale on and place the cup on the scale and wait for it to register our weight. Now we have to set it to 0. This is called tearing the scale and ensures that the weight of the cup we're using doesn't affect the weight of the food. Now we need to use the right measuring unit, and as I said, we always have to weigh in grams as this is the most accurate way. Now let's add our oats and find out the weight of the oats. See, so basically 1 cup is supposed to be 90 grams and is 113 grams. And now when we calculate the calories for it, 90 grams would be 360 calories. But now that we have 113 grams, we have 452 calories. So this is a difference of 23 grams and 92 calories. Let's go on with our peanut butter. So we need 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and it says that 1 tablespoon of peanut butter are around 16 grams and it makes 100 calories. Okay, so our tablespoon of peanut butter are now 22 grams. So these are 7 grams more, and instead of having 100 calories, we have around 138 calories. And now we take a small banana, and Google says that a small banana is around 101 grams and has 90 calories. Now our banana is around 110 grams and has 98 calories. The difference here are 9 grams and 8 calories. It's not that much, right? But now when we calculate the too many calories of all 3 ingredients, we find out that we are at 138 calories above what we thought we are consuming. Doesn't seem much. Let's say this happens during lunch and dinner. So let's multiply 138 by 3. That's 414 calories. And we're not even counting snacks here. If we add another 50 to 100 calories from snacks, we're up to a total of 500 calories over our calorie limit. That's basically our maintenance calories. You are not in a deficit, even if you think you are. Now, one day you will be more accurate, one day you will be less accurate, and then what will happen is, while working so hard, you might not see results for weeks. And that's beyond sad, because it's gonna make you not believe in yourself and what you're doing, and you will be less and less motivated and more frustrated. Eventually, you will give up. Can you imagine giving up on your weight loss journey just by not keeping track in grams and weighing your food on a scale? Now, what you have to keep in mind is that there is no way we can track calories 100% perfectly. Because first of all, we'll never know how many calories exactly our body needs so that we lose weight. We will never know how our body processes the calories exactly, and we never know how many calories are in a food item exactly, because there's a 20% margin of error allowed on all food labels. So there's no need to make yourself crazy and try to hit every single calorie and try to track every single calorie perfectly. However, at the same time, using it as an excuse and say, well, I don't know how many calories these are, so I might as well not track accurately, is the same like not tracking at all, right? Because at the end of the day, you will go over your calorie limit and you won't see results, and so you can leave it all together, right? So in perfect conditions, try to track as accurately as possible. Because the fact is that the closer you get to accuracy, the more your hard work will pay off. Now, the next question would be, how can I possibly measure and weigh my food when I go out? This is a question I definitely will make a specific video on, because there are a lot of possibilities. And no, you don't have to take your food scales with you when going out. That's just crazy. There are several other ways you can keep track of your calories while eating out. For example, you can order a salad dressing extra. You can focus on eating protein and veggies first, pay attention to your satiety cues, share your dessert, guesstimating the weight, look for the dish in MyFitnessPal and add 20% more weight, because that way you'll log more calories than you're eating, and so you're on the safe side. Also, the more accurately you weigh and track your food when you have the possibility, so in the best situation where you're at home and you have your kitchen scale with you, the better you will get at eyeballing portions, right? So after a while you will know this looks like 100 grams of rice to me, then you can add 20% on it. And again, this will make sure that you're on a safe side. So you will consume less calories than you think you do. So at the end, you are still in a calorie deficit, right? Because at the end, it's all about the overall calorie intake. By following these simple tips and steps, you will on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. And if you now say, okay, well, nice and good, but where should I start? I've created a video for you on how to start calorie tracking, so that might be just the right video for you to start calorie tracking. Now, as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.